Product Summary: Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Air Compressor Professional Airbrushing System Kit with 3 airbrushes, gravity and siphon feed, holder, color mixing wheel, cleaning brush set, how to guide things. Features: 1 professional master airbrush multi-purpose airbrushing system with 3 of Master Airbrush's best-selling and user-friendly airbrushes. Includes bonus Master Airbrush Quick Start Guide, Airbrush Resource Center Access Card, double-sided color mixing wheel and a cleaning brush set. 2 Master Airbrush Model TC320 Cool Runner 2 Superior Performance Powerful 1/5 HP Single Piston Compressor with 2 cooling fans that allow it to run much cooler for a longer continuous running time without overheating. Includes dual airbrush holder. 3 types of Master Airbrushes. Model G22 Dual Action with a 1/3 ounces gravity feed fluid cup and 0.3 mm tip. Model G25 Dual Action with a 1/16 ounces gravity feed fluid cup and 0.2 mm tip, plus a Model E91 Single Action Siphon Feed with a 0.8 mm tip and 2.75 ounces siphon bottles. 4 Master Airbrush models G22 and G25 are commonly used for hobbies, crafts, autographics, temporary tattoos, cake decorating, fine art, nail art and more. They work excellent for most airbrushing applications and also with most types of paint spray media. 5. Buy with confidence. If you are not satisfied with these airbrushes at any time within the first year of purchase or the compressor within the 5 years of purchase, we'll provide a refund or replacement. 6. The compressor works great and isn't too loud, if you are planning to work indoors. The 3 airbrushes that come with this package are certainly not on the same level as a Badger or Iwata, but to me,